Happy learning, students! From St. Mary Primary School, myself, Mrs. Akshata Shenoy, and today we are going to learn EVS 2 chapter Management of Forts and Navy. Shivaji Maharaj conquered many enemies to establish his Swaraj. Be it war or governance, his management skill can be seen in all areas. Let us learn about the management skills of Shivaji Maharaj in this lesson. Do you know what is management skill? Management skill means working in a disciplined manner on a task one has undertaken to achieve a definite goal. The management skills of Shivaji Maharaj are seen at all times in the battles he fought all his life and also in his overall administration. Let us look at a few examples. Here we all know that Shivaji Maharaj established Swaraj by fighting with the enemies. He perfectly fulfilled all his role, maybe war or governance. His management skills were very good in all the areas like battles and also administration of Swaraj. Management is a very important aspect of administration in which everything should go in a disciplined manner. Building forts. Shivaji Maharaj protected his Swaraj with the help of forts. In the book Ajna Patra or Royal Edict, the importance of forts has been aptly summed up as follows. The essence of the whole kingdom is forts. Shivaji Maharaj had roamed through the Sahyadri range in his youth. On countless occasions he had gazed at the forts situated in the Sahyadri. He had understood the importance of forts in the protection of Swaraj. Here we can see that Shivaji Maharaj in his book Ajna Patra or Royal Edict, he has told that the forts are very important in a kingdom. You can win or lose a battle depends upon the fort. In his youth day, he has had a look at forts, and in a very early age he understood the importance of fort in administration and winning the battles for the kingdom. Next paragraph. Shivaji Maharaj built all three types of forts: forest forts, hill forts, and sea fort. A sea fort is also known as Janjira. He employed experts like Hiroji Indulkar and Arjoji Yadav to build many new forts like Rajgarh, Pratapgarh, and Sindhudurg. He repaired some old forts like Vijayadurg, Torna, and Rangna and built the new fort of Raigad. He had about 300 forts. Forts are of three types, that is forest fort, hill fort, and sea fort, which is also known as Janjira. He appointed his best and expert men for building the forts. He repaired various forts like Vijayadurg, Torna, and Rangna. He also built new forts like Rajgarh, Pratapgarh, and Sindhudurg. Do you know? It is believed that the book Ajna Patra was written by Ramchandra Pant Amatya at the order of Chhatrapati Rajaram Maharaj, the younger son of Shivaji Maharaj. Management of forts. Shivaji Maharaj had made definite arrangements for the protection of forts. On each fort, the officer Kiledar, Sabnis, and Karkhanis were appointed. The Sabnis and Karkhanis worked under the Kiledar. There were about 300 forts with Shivaji Maharaj which he captured or built So a king cannot be everywhere on all the forts all the time, so he has to keep some people on his behalf as officers. So he kept killedar as officer, and below that there were subnis and karkhanis who were given different kind of works. Let us see what roles were given to them. Killedar had to protect and administer the fort, to issue orders to the subnis and karkhanis, to follow government orders, instructions and letters. Work of subnis was to keep accounts, to collect revenue tax from the subjects on the fort and around it, to handle the correspondence. The work of karkhanis was to supply grains and goods to the people living on the fort, to arrange for the ammunitions for the guns and firearms at the time of war, to look after and maintain the fort and the building on it. Guns and ammunitions. At the time of Shivaji Maharaj, guns of various size were used to protect the forts from the enemy. The guns were placed on the bastions and fortification of the fort. Some forts like Purandar and Bhimgad had provisions for making guns. Guns were made from metal like iron, brass, copper, etc. In the rainy season, the guns were given wax coating to prevent rusting. Iron and stone cannonballs and canister shots were fired at the enemy from the guns. To fire the shot, an explosive mixture was used. Here it is explained about what kind of guns, ammunitions and equipments, weapons were used during Shivaji's period in the war. During Shivaji's period, different size guns were used, which were made from iron, brass, copper, etc. Cannons were also fixed on the fortifications of big forts like Bhimkad and Purandar. During rainy seasons, to prevent the guns from rusting, wax coating were given so that it doesn't come with the contact of water. Various explosives were also used. In this part of lesson, we learnt about how Shivaji Maharaj used to manage his kingdom by different ways. First, building forts. Forts were very important in his battle strategies, and how he used to manage the forts by keeping his expert people on the officer post. We also learnt about the guns and ammunitions, how cannons and cannonballs were fixed on the fortification of the forts, and what materials were used to make them. Thank you. Take care. See you soon with the second part.